Hello everyone, welcome back to JustKetouk UK. Tonight we are at Osteria Mattarana. So I ordered some vegetables, but of course I'm not going to eat this one because it's rich, too much full in carbs, so I'm not going to eat this. But I can eat these two. These two I can eat. And then we got, my brother ordered some pastisada de cavallo with polenta and that pastisada. It's look amazing, beautiful. We are still waiting for the rest of the food, so then we can dig in and eat the food. These are the other food we ordered, so delicious and fantastic. At Mattarana Osteria was very nice, the food was amazing. So if you are here in Verona, you can go there to eat. So hello Keto friends, I'm still here in Verona. So we are at this beautiful, come si chiama gelateria? Ice cream bar. Oh, Terra e Cuore, we are here at Terra e Cuore. We are going to eat some ice cream. So do you know what? I find sugar-free ice cream, so I'm going to try now. It's fior di latte e nocciola. So I can't wait to try. So I'm going to try this sugar-free ice cream and I'm going to tell you the taste. So I'm so happy because it's not that easy to find something sugar-free. So I'm here with this beautiful ice cream, sugar-free. I didn't ask which type of sweetener they use it, but this is sugar-free and they use the milk, so it's not that really keto, but at least it's sugar-free. So I'm really happy for that. So I'm going to try my ice cream now. Really happy. Enjoy myself. The next day at lunch, I had some fish and grilled vegetables. La Madonna, addirittura, ma che meraviglia, quante belle robe! Our last day here, so now we are going to take the plane. Yeah, we are crying, we are really crying. Look how many luggage we have. We are so tired, really tired. We wake up very early in the morning. All right, let me show you the Castel Vecchio. È una bellezza questa cosa. follow the keto diet? Yes, yes. It's nice. Why you don't want to try a keto diet? Oh, I like to joke. This is the arena. Grazie mille bro. A presto, alla prossima, grazie mille bro. Grazie tantissimo di tutto. E tu non ne pensi di questa dieta chetogenica?
È la migliore. Fatela.
Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Ma c'è veramente, ma è una roba. Alright, we are here now. We are here and the weather is so bad and I feel really sick now. I've got headache and cold. I think it's because of the air condition. Oh, I don't know. Anyway, I don't feel well. It's very, very bad. We are here to waiting for the bus. Alright, for today is everything. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye!